I'm Steph. I am 31 years old and an independent artist. I've currently only been playing the drums for 9 months. I started it in June 2025. It's a funny story, actually. My son, who was 4 at the time, had just started learning how to play the drums, and I booked him in with my friend Lainey, who's in a band called Snakes. If you haven't checked them out, you should definitely go and do so. They're really good. It was for a full hour though, so it's a little bit too much for him. So I joked and said, well, if it's too much, I'll jump on. And well, I absolutely loved it when I did. And I have been so excited to be learning every single day since. Um, so yeah, that's a little bit of a backstory, how I've got into drumming. And yeah, so still quite early on, but really enjoying the process. What do I love about Collision? Oh, just everything. It's such a family, it feels like a real family community. Um, Everyone's been so supportive, giving such great advice and knowledge, and I'm just so proud to be a part of this journey. I'm really excited. Plus, the products are absolutely amazing. So, I play currently with the 5AR Collision Drumsticks. I also use the 5A Stealth series. I love them because they're black. So aesthetically pleasing, but they're also absolutely amazing. The durability is fantastic. The quality is just amazing. The grip as well. I play in the studio for probably 2 hours, an hour at a time, and I've used other sticks before that just didn't give the same quality and the same durability as these ones. So they're absolutely amazing. Highly recommend. Um, Especially because I play quite a lot of punk. That's what I play a lot of the time. So it's quite hard hitting, heavy, and they've really withheld the time that I've been using them for. Um, but yeah, so enjoyable to use, and yeah, just highly recommend them. So the drum cover I'm going to be doing for you today is one of my favorite bands. It's called Get Down by Kid Capici. I hope you guys enjoy it.